This is the main pool deck on deck 14, and I found a wheelchair accessible ramp. That's awesome. So this goes up the ramp to the deck. Now, the pool itself is 3 steps down, but you can come up here to sun yourself. There's a ramp up to the other level here. I'll go on and take you up on that. Come up the ramp to a little higher level. And this is actually a fully accessible area. Look at this. You can actually take a wheelchair down into the pool. How about that? This you don't find on many cruise ships. That's absolutely awesome, Royal Caribbean. Awesome. And on the other side, a ramp down. Hats off to Royal Caribbean and Quantum of the Seas for actually having an accessible pool.
I regularly post videos on all facets of the travel and cruise industry, so if you like to keep up with the latest in cruise ships, ports of call, cruises themselves, Chillie chats, and travel and cruise industry news, just hit the little subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when a new video is up or we go live. This video was produced by Chillie's Cruises.